morning. MB Wilkel again, trading crypto. Welcome, Rita from welcome. I'm earlier on time, just like always. I hate it to be late for any live stream, so we're here. We're gonna talk about random stuff, alpha stuff, something you can't find on the webs. Definitely can't find on the web. So we're gonna talk about a lot of crap today. So tune in, let the music go, and we'll start in a moment. Welcome. Oh, let's get it started. Okay, let's see. What do you got over here? What do I got over here? We got Alex from Brazil, can't access. Well, be glad that you can't access Twitter, bro. You're not missing anything. Twitter is filled by crap. It will get you wrecked. What's up with Temkala? We got Abracadil, we got Alcopods, Willem, good morning. What do we got? Muhammad Ali, good morning, bro, love crypto, Mario, truck driver, Mama, bonjour, monsieur. Danny Diggs, good morning, AM Fever, Altiman. Let's see, review. Just have to serve a lot to the group. We're gonna talk about it in a moment. Top Dog, good morning, bro. YouTube News, Fast Lane, Greg, Joseph, Richard. And then we got Ricky Ferreira, good morning, bro, from South Africa. Iconic, good morning, bro. Crypto Move, Slovenia's in the house. Let's see, what do we got? Facox. I don't know what it means, Facox. Sounds pretty my style, fuck off. Well, let's see, YouTube, new Danny Diggs, Gracias, ADC, Mario Peters, T. What do we got over here? Prue, music playing, bro. Yes, oh, sorry. Should have said it. Boom. Now it's stopped. Oh my God, I really need to hire someone to do this crap for me. So, okay, well, let's start, guys. Let's start. So we're gonna talk about a lot of things today, guys. So be ready. You know, weekends are always for the macro, in my opinion. It's in the weekends when we go and open up and see the bigger picture. That's what we do in the weekends, because during the week when the markets are open, I don't got a lot of time to watch the bigger picture. Why? Because it's all about trading and making money. We also make money in the weekends, by the way. To be honest, the easiest money to make is in the weekends on altcoins, because the manipulators are enjoying themselves in some yacht, drinking nice drinks, and that's when we make the most money. So like in the free private, I've been sharing the P&Ls, by the way, so the ones that have been seen. You know, it's creepy, it's very creepy how we keep nailing those trades over and over again. I just don't miss any trade. It's really mind-blowing. Like when when I watch the P&Ls of the team, I see one long in green, 180% 2 times, and I see like 5-6 shorts, also all in the green. And I'm not even gonna talk about that Popcat. That Popcat is, by the way, this is the 6th time that the team makes almost 1,000% on it. You know, I made a video about this, how to trade meme coins and how to get rich on meme coins, but not up. You can make really millions shorting the crap out of them. Because why? Because it's all a lot of crap. It's just one big Ponzi. So if you missed out on the pump, don't go buy in at the top. No, just short the crap out of it, and you're gonna make the same money or maybe even more. But okay, that's if you like to know how that works, just go watch my. You know, I made so many vids with really so much alpha that can make you so much money. You just have to go and watch them. They're all open on YouTube. Just go on YouTube and just watch them. They're out there. You can grab them for free. You have to do nothing about that. Also, there was one guy DM'd me. He DM'd me. I want to buy the indicator. You know, if he would follow me, he knows that I do not take money from retailers. So I answered to him, how much are you willing to pay? He didn't respond to me. It's really, if you know me, I don't take money. What I do take is this. There is I didn't share it openly, by the way, but there is a wallet address of USDT the team uses for my marketing stuff. So they pay a lot of marketing things with that money, and anyone that wants to donate to that cause, he will get the indicator. So when you want to donate donate to that marketing cost. And we also got a wallet address if you want to donate to helpless children or just donate yourself. And just send us the receipt that you donated it with your name, so you cannot scam us. So when you donate to helpless children, you will also get my indicator. I will give it. But if the most easy part, if you want to get the indicator, is just if you're trading. So if you're trading, just trade on Blofin or Weex. The links are below. Show us that you're trading, active trading over there, and we'll give you the damn indicator. It's that simple. It's that simple. And if you don't want to trade, or you're married to your Binance account or your Bybit account or whatever, you're married to it, okay, no problem. Donate to whatever cause out there, whatever. I gave you the choices, and we will give you the indicator also. I received today a DM from Binance, by the way. They want me to join their creators community. They've got a very big community of like 50K members. And there are people over there, influencers or traders that share their analysis. And they invited me to join them over there. Well, I told them, why would I? They can just follow me on Twitter. Why would I? No. It will be good for you because a lot of people will follow you and you'll create a very big community. But you know, I'm no partner of Binance, so I really don't get it. But okay, fine. Let's see. Okay, what do we got? Why did I make this one? Why? This blue box and this red box. You know, when retailers see something like this, what they see in their minds is, oh my God, okay, we're going down. We're going to the 43K, 40K. It does not work like this. I'm just zooming out here, and I think that these are the ranges that we're going to trade in. But if you guys want my honest opinion, I'm gonna be very straight with you guys. I'm more bearish than bullish, and that's not because the price is coming down. That has nothing to do with this. I'm more bearish than bullish, and the main cause why I'm more bearish than bullish is this chart. And I could be totally wrong, by the way, but it's this chart, guys. This chart, let me zoom out because you're not seeing. This chart is creeping the crap out of me. This chart over here, guys. When this monster makes a big dump, it creates a lot of pain in the markets. And don't look at those stocks. Yesterday, I was watching a movie. What movie? Yes, I think I was watching a movie, Jackpot. Yes, the movie was Jackpot. Jackpot, it's with that wrestler, what's his name again? John Cena it was, yes. And the movie was in 2030. They were playing it in 2030, and there was a very interesting quote in that movie. I don't think that a lot of people will focus, but it triggered me. And what did it say? It was saying that there was a lot of poverty in the world, and people were getting totally no work. They couldn't even buy themselves food, etc. And I'm talking not about poor countries. I'm talking about Europe, America, etc. And what they showed was that everything was destroyed. The whole economy was destroyed, and the stocks were at all-time high levels, ramping up more and more and more. And what happened is that a lot of people were getting very poor, and you had like a group of stockholders, they became very rich. So you got billionaires and you got very poor people. That made me think. That really made me think. I know it's just a movie, so it's I don't know why they said it in that movie, but it's reality. Because why? Because when I see this thing ramping up like this, and I see that this thing goes back, test all-time high, while this one made this bounce up, this is scary, guys. This is really scary. You have to keep that in mind. This is super scary, because you have to see it like this. If this thing will get rejected over here on this line and comes back again, this thing will definitely break up. This thing will even make a high, a new all-time high. It will happen. It will happen. There's no question about it. So if this thing gets rejected over here and comes down again, this thing will make a new high. And you know, this monster is just not stopping. It's just going up and up and up and up. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys on the monthly. This thing is just, let me put it on the 3 months. Look at it. This thing, let me remove all this so you can see it better. Look at this. This thing is just going. When is this going to stop? Why is this just going up? How is it possible that this thing just keeps going up? You have to think about that one. How is it possible? I can give you a very clear answer to that one. This is just printed money. Printed money, they print money, and those are the ones. Because where does this money come from? Where is this money coming from? Where are these guys finding the money to keep ramping this up? It's mind-blowing. It's really mind-blowing. It's just up, up, up. Well, credit card is going into the sky. The national debt of America is going into new all-time highs. Credit card debts all-time highs. Rates are for car loans. Houses are going up. Everything is going up. And then we'll see those inflation numbers were coming down again. How are you coming down? How is it possible that you are coming down? This data that we're seeing, it's not good. They revise it a lot of times, but you know, they're just playing with whatever. But let's just keep one fact. There's one fact is that no matter what data comes out, no matter what Powell does, no matter what the inflation is, no matter what's going on, this chart is just going up. So if this thing will keep going up for another 6 months, 1 year, okay, I'm bullish on Bitcoin and crypto, and we're gonna make nice, huge gains. But this thing has to keep this going. This thing has to keep this going. But now comes the safe part of the investment. I'm just talking investment-wise now, guys. So please bear with me. Investment-wise, I'm talking now. So long-term hodl. Trading, it doesn't matter. Trading, if this thing wants to go up, wants to go down, we don't give a crap. It's just like I show you on Twitter and in the free private. We make money every day, again and again and again and again. We don't give a crap what these guys are doing. You want to go up or you want to go down, just be my guest. Doesn't matter. Because why? We are traders. We go in, we see a short. We go in short, we see a long, we go in long. We make that money, close the gain in, and just live. How do they say? They live, we fight to live another day. It's just what we do. It's just what we do, and that's just it. And this is for investment-wise. This is also for the ones that are holding backs, people that are holding wrecked backs. What's going on over here? Because this, you see this dump down over here, it wasn't enough. It wasn't enough. And it's really, look how strong they buy it back. Look at this. Indicator, we break up, go, retest it up, we retested it again, and we're going up again. So to be honest, let me just be honest with you guys. You see this line, this double top, in my opinion, there is a higher chance that we will break it up than that we will get rejected and come down. And you know why? Because it has been this way every time. Over here also, we came down. This was the high. And what did we do? Just break it up. You come back. Indicator, high. So probably we're going to break it up again. So maybe, and this is on the high time frames, guys. So maybe we'll get a rejection on the double top, maybe a little bit back over here, maybe some FUD, and then boom, and then it goes. So we have to keep this in mind. And that's why it's also very important that you guys listen to me when I say, guys, it's gonna be a choppy market in crypto. We buy the blood, we sell the bounce. We buy the blood, we sell the bounce. We buy the blood, we sell the bounce, in the hope that at some point that this crazy freak will make its real dump down over here. And this is, guys, when the hodlers, and this is when we will start buying in and holding our bags. So to make that 20x, 30x, 40x, 50x in a matter of weeks. But I need this thing to come down first. Because if you would be invested and this thing makes, I don't know, maybe it will go to here. But when it does make this big dump down, it will totally liquefy you. It will totally destroy you. Remember what I'm saying over here. It will totally destroy you when this thing starts coming back to earth. So be prepared for that one. So that's why I keep saying, you have to choose. You have to make a choice for yourself. Am I going to follow Will Killer? Am I going to be the trader and not the investor? It's your choice. We focus on the markets every day, again. And you guys that have been with me in the free private or follow me on Twitter, you know I'm the best of the best if it comes to trading and making money on a daily basis. There is really nobody that even can come close to me. Nobody. And if there is somebody, welcome. Let's show the world how great you are. I don't care who you are. Just come and let's show people. If you are better, I will be the first to say, okay, I'm defeated. This guy or this woman is much better than I am. And maybe I will join you guys and go follow their alpha and I will educate myself even more. Maybe I'm missing, but until the day of today, I'm not seeing anyone even coming close. They all have got a big mouth. They all got the marketing machine backing them up. Everyone thinks that they are great. Well, I showed you guys yesterday how they were great. It was just like that guy. It's I want to puke when I see that. I'm getting, just like we say in Dutch, ik word misselijk. He's showing no shame. These people really have no shame. Exactly when retailers are drowning like 70, 80, 90% out of their bags, and especially his followers. And then he shows them, look, I bought a new villa or a new home with a pool at sea, etc., etc. And I want to thank Satoshi for this. Bro, who are you fooling, bro? You bought that house from the money that you're taking from your audience, your $1,000 a month and all your shillings with altcoins and all your whatever you're doing out there. That's what bought you that house and not anything else. So stop the crap with Satoshi, my ass, Satoshi. These guys, they play retailers as if they are stupid, dumb creeps, and they really have no shame. No shame. I know the game. Don't come tell me the game. I know how the game is played. So guys, for now, it's just this monster. So for now, my focus, I'll be focusing coming days and weeks. I'll be focusing only on day trading, making gains. Shorting, longing, I don't care. Making money every day has to be closed with money. Because why? When this is going to happen, I don't care if it's here or here or here. When this is going to happen, I'll be buying all the blood. Do you remember when we bought the blood, when I was tweeting, I'm buying the blood, I'm buying the blood, I'm buying here. I kept repeating myself, I'm buying. Well, you made between a 50 to 100% gain on the bounce. Well, everyone was getting bearish. But when I get bearish, you focus because there's a reason for that. Okay, so that's about that. Let me come back to my chart over here. So how high is the probability that we might break this red box over here and this red line? I think that the probability is pretty low, guys. You know, I hate it to give you guys the bad news, but I think that the probability, there has to happen something really big that will create that this thing will break up over here. And even if we will break up the red box, then we got the resistance over here at the all-time high. So this is very dangerous. There's just no power over here. But You know, I could be totally wrong because, you know, we're now in the middle. I'm not saying that we're going to the blue box. I'm not saying that we're going to the red box. What I'm saying is if the US 500 starts dumping down, I don't know when it happens because maybe they have to stop that printer for a while and then we will get that down under the US 500. But if the US 500, this blue box will get filled. Definitely. No doubt about that. Zero doubt about that. We will over here, and it depends on the US 500 how much they go down. If they would crash down very big, we might even go lower than this blue box. But for now, blue box is if that happens. This is investment wise, guys. But we've got also very important, before we're gonna think about this blue box, we've got this double over here. So this regions over here is also very strong support. So if we'll come back to the 50K level, this is support. It's just what it is. It's very thin support, but it is support. So over here, I'll be definitely buying in also a lot of altcoins, just like we did over here when we dumped over here. So we'll be buying a lot over here. So let me go to this chart now. Let me go to the dominance chart, and the dominance chart is getting totally liquefied, guys. And why is the dominance chart just in this uptrend? It's because ETH is just not showing any strength. It's that simple. ETH is the only asset at this moment that can destroy the dominance chart. And ETH, I don't know what's going on with ETH. I think it has also something to do with Vitalik is selling some of his bags. He tweeted yesterday about it, that he was saying that he just bought some bags because he was investing in some new projects and etc. And well, although I've watched some tweets yesterday, a lot of those Solana freaks, shillers, were telling you, well, ETH is dead and ETH is dead, but ETH is dead. ETH, fundamentally, they have nothing going on, etc., etc. For me, ETH is still the strongest altcoin in the world. It's the queen, and I will remain that way. And if Bitcoin starts ramping up, ETH will ramp up at some point very hard, and it will prove everyone wrong. So for me, ETH is just the strongest coin, and I'll be buying ETH if ETH makes a big dump. So for now, this is what is causing, but now we've got this one, 1, 2. Are we going for a triple? It will be great if we get a triple, but guys, this is something you really have to keep an eye on. This is something very, very dangerous, guys, because this thing, if you have to see it like this, if this thing ramps up, ramps up and Bitcoin dumps at the same time, altcoins will get totally liquefied. Altcoins will get destroyed. And then you can tell me, yeah, well, MB, but how much more can they get destroyed? They already are destroyed. Yes, that's true. So especially if you hold coins that are already high, just like I keep showing you guys, so coins like Kaspa, like whatever, that are at high regions, they could get totally destroyed, especially those meme coins, those scammy meme coins. So, well, we don't care. We're gonna make money either way. Up, down, we just don't care. So that was about my analysis. I can show you guys like 10 other charts that will signal where we're heading to. But for now, we can analyze whatever we want. It is about this big guy. What is this big guy gonna do? Are we going to break up over here, make a new high and just continue up? As long as this happens, don't expect this blue box to get hit. We'll just chop around and get some scammy pumps up, and maybe we'll find some momentum and even break this, whatever. But as long as this guy keeps doing what it's doing over here, don't expect a lot of dumps. That's why I keep repeating myself also in the free private. You go into a trade, make the damn money, use the indicator on the low time frames, take the profits and just get out. Just get out. Don't listen. When you see those P&Ls that I share on Twitter, you have to know that most of those positions, the team already took out like 50%, 60%, 70% gains. They leave 20, 30% running and they don't even care about them. So they're gonna risk more. They just leave them running. They risk more. But you have to understand that they took their investment out and they took their profits already, and they have their stop losses set at a low level. That's how they do it. So don't think that they're just with a full position they stay in. Just like, let me give you guys an example of Bobcat. Bobcat, it's around 900%. They already took out like 70% of their position out of that position. It's just a 30. They already, their investment is out. They made huge money, profits. They took them out and they leave the 30% running and they set a stop loss. That's how they do it. That's how they do it. And that's how you should do it. So the music is going on. After this, listen, I've got a list of altcoins and I'm just going through them together with you guys. And if there are some questions or whatever, just ask them. And before we're going into the altcoins, I will also talk a bit about the team and the meeting that I had with them yesterday. So push that like. Show me please what altcoins you're eyeing, or maybe some new fundamental things we can talk about during this live stream. Thank you. Let's see, what do we got over here? What do we got? Music playing, yeah, no, from Zealand, Prue, welcome, can't hear the music. I know we need to get that sound tech soon. Yeah, stop that, we need. Stop smoking that, turn off the music. Guys, maybe you guys should start smoking what I'm smoking, then you got those same P&Ls. Well, let's see, as much like how much do we donate to get the indicator? Well, just donate, there's no price, just donate, and the team will decide if it's enough. I really don't know. You're donating to whatever, so just donate. DM me that you donated, and well, that's it. Let's see. Impact is up, bits is down, just like you said. And yeah, I know, bro. Was holding the indie very great, exactly as predicted. Exactly as predicted. I love your content. Send the wallet address. Yeah, I need to send that wallet address. Where am I going to send? I'm gonna send the wallet address. Am I gonna send the wallet address? Let me think about that one. I'll think about that one. I don't like to send wallet addresses, but I'll see what I do. I'll maybe, yes, I'm gonna share one on Twitter, I think. The call, see you later. Up or down, and then we get wrecked. If we have a Weex, if you have a Weex account, how can we join? Well, if you're an Irish guy, if you're trading normally on volume, you just send me your UID on Twitter. DM it to me. Team will check. If it's good, they will get you in. Let's see, what do we got? Good one. Let's see. 78 watching, 30 likes. Now they just don't like to push the like. Just leave them. No problem. What did I tweet about today? You know, people, it's just human race. They're made that way. They like everything for free. They love everything for free. But if you would ask them one dime in return, they won't give it to you. just a click, they won't give it to you. Not all of you, but a lot of retailers out there. It's just like the team. Let me start with the team. The team, we're hiring, and when we're hiring, then some came in, retail fan members, because why? Because I told the team, don't hire any professional until we're settled in Dubai. So just look for some retail fan members that have the time, that don't have full-time jobs, and they're skilled. You know, I'm skilled in TA, I'm skilled in analyzing markets, and there are also a lot of people that are skilled in creating social media stuff, creating thumbnails, creating shorts, etc. So if some retail fan member is having the time or is retired and he's very good at it, maybe someone like that could help the GTC community and create some content for us. And, you know, we will make sure that this guy will be good. But you know what we saw? What we saw is that the professionals, so there are a lot of professionals out there that can create shorts, they can create thumbnails. The prices that they use were much lower than the retail firm members, what they wanted for creating, with all due respect, an amateur thumbnail or short or whatever, while the professionals were much cheaper. And you know, that's greed. That's greed. You know, how did I become financially independent? I destroyed greed. I didn't care about money. I just don't care about money. What I did was I went into the markets, I started educating myself, and, you know, without any form of greed, I didn't care about any money. And when I didn't care about the money started flowing in like with bags on the thing that I did. So it's just what it is. Greed is the greed is really greed is. Let me see. Okay, let me go into the altcoins. Guys, we're going through some altcoins, and then very fast. We're going through a lot of altcoins, guys. We're just going. I'm going to just go. I've got a list. It's not a list. It's just some altcoins that are in a list. They're not chosen or whatever. So don't think that those are not picked. It's just an alphabet. Some coins are out there. Let's just go through them. Ash. Wow. Nice Ash. Ash would be great because Ash is one of the coins that I'm interested in. So this is not just a coin, but this one, I really hope that Ash will get into this one. We already hit it. I hope that it will get back. So what I'm going to do, because we're going to do it together, I'm going to put in my alarms, and I'm also going to do some buy orders. I already have buy orders, I think, in Ash. So this one, let me make this blue so you guys will understand it, that it's a buy, not resistance. So, by the way, guys, blue is always support and red is resistance. So let me go to the next one. What is this? What do we've got? We've got Cardano. Cardano, is Cardano still alive? What is Charles doing? Is this thing ever coming back up again? I really don't know. But let me just put my alarm, because Cardano is Cardano, and I'll buy Cardano if it gets wrecked. It's just who I am. What is this? Avo. I really have no clue what this is. It's just on my list. Look at this, guys. Avo. What is Avo? I really have no clue what Avo is. It's just super wrecked. This is the coin that... the biggest mistake that I made in crypto this past cycle is... I bought some in this box. I bought some over here. I made, what was it? 100x? I think a 100x. I think I made a 100x on this one. I think I made a 100x on this one. Or maybe even more. What was it? I really don't. 008. Yes, I made a 100x. More than a 100x on this back. And I regret the fact that I didn't buy a bigger back. And I'm so sick of it that I didn't buy. But, you know, this was one of the coins that I made a 100x on. You know, you got those guys on Twitter. We made a 100x, we made a 1000x, we made it all a lot of crap. Those guys didn't make nothing. It's a lot of crap. This is a 100x that I made. Well, if it comes back to these regions and you're bullish on AOIZ, well, 22 cents, it's a buy. AIT. I really have no clue what it is. I think this is AI related, but this thing is also super wrecked. So do some research on this one. Also getting into, look at these coins, guys. I'm just going through them. What is this? AI Akitax. I really have no clue what this is. Also super wrecked. Let's go to this. Alu. Ultra. Gaming. Look where it is, guys. Super wrecked. Then we go to this Ape. Ape. Oh, you know, for the ones that have me following me, yes, over here. This is very old, by the way, guys. You can see it on the chart. This is very old. Over here is where the team shorted Ape. Remember warning, you know, I made so many calls. I really don't get it why retailers aren't watching my streams and won't follow me on Twitter. I made so many calls. I think that the average influencer didn't even make 5 to 10% of my calls that I made. You know, when I go through these charts, I just, listen, I forget about this. I'm just seeing it right now. Listen, Ape, listen, look at this. Over here, I was warning people, just go. It's on my Twitter. I never remove a tweet. I was warning, and all those favorite crypto gurus were telling you not to sell Ape over here. You see how much people they have destroyed these influencers. It was just, okay, well, I'm doing my best to warn them. Anyway, Ape, I'm not interested in Ape, even if it would go to 0. Let's just say that. Okay, what is this? API 3, okay, this is also a coin that we made a lot of money on this drop from this rising channel. It's getting over here, so it's bottoming out. So AP3, if you like this coin, we're bottoming out over here, so around the 10 cents. So that's about that. Let me go to the second one. Arbitrum is getting totally wrecked, but I already warned you guys about Arbitrum because Arbitrum was having a lot of selling pressure, and it was over here when I warned you guys. Look out for Arbitrum. Team also shorted Arbitrum, by the way. So Arbitrum is getting totally liquefied and it's getting into these levels, and I think that this box needs to come back over here. So somewhere between the 50 and 30 cents, maybe that's when you can scoop yourself. Then we got this Arkham. What is Arkham? Arkham. Very simple over here. This, maybe this one, a double over here, and then maybe something up. Let me go to ARPA. ARPA is also very, okay guys, I'm seeing so many wreck charts. I need to light up a cigarette for this one because oh my god, these charts are really so wrecked. So ARPA, if you're bullish on ARPA, over here somewhere. Let me go to Atom. Atom is holding strong, by the way, guys. Atom is holding strong, and I'm bullish on Atom. So Atom in the blue box, I'll be buying myself Atom again. Again and again and again. I will buy Atom. Everything below $3, I will buy Atom. Then let me go to AVAX. AVAX back in the gray box is a buy. So everything below $15 is a buy. Let me go. What do we got? Bake. Bake is just like, if you like volatile coins and you like Binance, you like BNB, you like everything Binance related, 8 cents. Let me go to the next one. BMX, scammy coin in my opinion. By the way, for the ones that don't know it, the team shorted it from here. And again on here, I made sick gains on this drop down. Okay, so let me go. Then we got Big Time. What is Big Time? Big Time, also scammy coin, also shorted by the team, also shared. Let me go to Blur. Same story over here. The chart is over here. Over here is where the team started shorting. I think that the free private also got this call. Look at this. Boom. You know, I tell you, I've nailed so many calls on Twitter and YouTube. People are just not remembering them. This chart is showing you this. Look at this. I shared this. Boom, boom, down. I'm not interested in this coin, by the way. And then this one. Boom. Book of meme. What the crap? Book of meme. Look at this. Book of meme. What the freak are you guys doing? Another one. Bonk. Bonk has still so much downside. Free private, be member. Be ready. We are going to short a lot of more Bonk. Be ready in the free private, guys. We gotta make money. Brett, this is an influencer's meme coin, by the way, guys. For the ones that don't know this, all the big influencers that you know, they are working together on this meme coin. I'm telling you, this is the influencers meme coin, and look at it. They are selling like crazy. This is all your favorite big influencers that you know on CT. Not all of them, but most of them. They all own bread. They shill it together. They dump it together. They pump it together. So that's about bread. I don't give a crap about bread. So let me go. Cake. A lot of cake. Everything below, what is it? Oh my God, look at this dump. We hit the 118. So everything around the $1. Cake is a strong coin, by the way, guys. It's not some bullshit. What is this? Sell. Okay, I need to light up my cigarette because I mean, look at these charts, guys. And then you blame me for tweeting like 24 hours a day, warning retailers don't get wrecked. Look at it. Look. Sell. Well, whatever. Sell. I don't even know what it is. Okay, Chelo. This is one of my coins. So Chelo, everything. Let me put my alarms in. Chelo, my buy orders are already set. So Chelo, if it comes back to these regions over here, 37, 36 cents, I'll be buying some Chelo. I'll be buying some Chelo again. What is this? Seller. Okay. Seller. This is, by the way, seller. In the box again. Let me put on my alarms. I'm putting up my alarms. Seller. Okay, let me go chat. What is chat? I don't know what this is. Soul chat. Look at this, guys. Soul chat. Look, soul chat. Oh my God. Cyrus. Yeah, shill, and then dump. Yeah, it's that simple. Okay, this is also a very strong coin, guys. This is also one to keep an eye on. So my alarms are going off. Guys, if you see me putting on an alarm, I'll probably put some buy orders in. So this is also a strong coin, in my opinion, nervous network. So I'll be buying some of this if we'll get back into the 4-cent regions. So I'll be buying some of this. CLV, what is CLV doing? CLV is in the box. Clover, I will not be buying this, by the way. No, I'm not interested in Clover at this moment. Guys, I'm going through a lot of coins. So bear with me. I'm going through a lot of coins. What is this? Cody, very simple, comes back below the 6 cent. I'll be buying some Cody because I just know that it goes up. Well, Casper is just a dead project in my opinion. CTSI, not interested. Dow, what is this Dow? Not interested. Deso, oh my God. Deso. I remember Deso. I bought in over here. I sold at the bounce. I didn't buy back in, but I'm very happy that I didn't buy back in on Deso. What is going on with Deso? Deso is a very shield coin. What is going on over here? Deso, maybe I'll buy some over here. Why not? I'll have to do some research for it. It's a social media coin. So Deso, everything around this one, I might scoop some. But I have to do some research on that one. What is this? Okay, this is just a scam coin. Doge. Elon is not tweeting a lot about Doge. So Doge is going very, very big down. So Doge, this is the support zone. So everything around 50 cents, 55 cents. Is a buy for Doge. So this is Doge. What is this Dusk? Dusk was pumping recently. Yeah, this was this Dusk network, guys. Keep an eye on it. I'm interested in Dusk, by the way. I want to buy some Dusk. So if Dusk comes back to the 10 cents regions, I'll be scooping some of this. I'll be scooping some of this. So let me go to the next one. DY, we already talked about this one. Not interested. Eagle BTC. Why is it showing Eagle BTC? Okay, Engine, gaming coin, getting totally liquefied, not interested. Let me see. Okay, this is a nice one. Fed. I'm getting a lot of tweets about this one. Well, you guys all know what happened. That big wheel bought in again at 140. And I told him you're gonna regret it, and well, he's regretting it again and again and again. By the way, the team shorted this. I tweeted maybe like 20 tweets about Fed, about why it topped out and why you should sell your bags and why you should short it if you're leverage trade. Over here, I made maybe like 1,000 tweets about this. short the crap out of this one. And, you know, if you listen to me, if you shorted it, congrats, you made life-changing money. And if you sold your bags over here and made nice profits, congrats to you, and you saved your capital. It's that simple. It's that simple. And for now, that Will that bought in again at the top, he is now in a loss of 20, and he had like a 30% loss on a very, very big bag. Well, congrats to you, Mr. Will. Don't listen to the Will killer. No, just listen to yourself. So, by the way, for if I want to buy this, I will buy FED. I will buy. I'm bullish on FED, by the way, guys. I'm not funding this. I want to buy it in, but I will buy it over here at this box over here. I'll buy it over here. I'll buy it over here. So if it will reach the 80 cents again, 70 cents, I'll buy FED. Okay, guys. Kabish. Kabish, everything below the 80 cents into this bar until the 60 cents. I will buy FED. I'll buy FED. Don't worry about me. I will buy it. I will buy it. Okay, Altcoin. Going to the moon. Going to the moon. Yes, we're back in the box. We're back in the box. Okay, I'll be buying some Altcoin also. I'll be buying some FIO. If my alarm goes off over here, I'll be buying some Altcoin. So what is this? FIO? No crap. What FIO? Whatever. Then we got FIRO. I already don't know. Getting wrecked. Flow. Oh my God. Fluxy. Yes, guys. Fluxy. Flux. Flux, everything below the 42 cents, I'll be buying Flux. And I'll be buying a big bag of Flux, by the way, guys. Just that you guys know, I'll be buying a big bag of Flux. So everything below the 40 cents, I'll be buying a big bag of Flux. Okay, this is a coin that I'm also bullish on, guys. I've changed my mind, and I've turned this one into oh, we shorted this one, by the way, also in the group. Yes, we shorted FTM. Yes. Well, all your favorite crypto gurus were telling you that FTM was going to the moon. That's when we shorted it. Yes. We just don't lose trades. Why? Because we're traders. We know what we're doing. So I'll be buying a lot of FTM, guys. I'm telling you now, I've added it to my top 20 coins. So I'm going to make a video about my top 20 coins, by the way. I'm going to do some deep analysis. Also, I'm going to go deep into every coin and why I'm bullish on it. So FTM, everything. You remember I told you to buy in here, 20 cents, 25 cents. Well, congrats if you made that double and triple. So now I want to buy in again around the 30 to the 20 cent regions. I'm going to buy in. I like FTM, guys. I like FTM. I think that FTM, there is something going on over there. So that's just my okay, let me go to this one, GLMI. This is just a Polkadot ecosystem. And if I'm going to buy anything Polkadot related, it's GLMI. So GLMI, everything below the 12, 13 cents, I'll be buying and scooping some of this. So I'm still bullish on this one. So GRT made this rise up with the AI, blah. So everything around the 7, 8 cents, 6 cents, I'll be buying. HBAR, we hit the line over here. We're probably going to lose it. So HBAR, around the 30 cents. Let me put my alarm in. Hopsaki daisy. Okay, let me put my alarm in. This is where I'm gonna buy some of that. Okay, HNT is making that crap down. We shorted HNT over here this week, and HNT is, I'm bullish on HNT, and HNT is probably also going into my top 20 coins. So HNT, if it comes back to the box, so make a double over here. So everything around the 283 bucks, I'll be buying some HNT. Okay, well, that's that. Let me go. What is this? Hot. I'm also buying some hot. Don't ask me why. I just like to buy hot because they've got a very strong community. I don't know crap about the fundamentals. Over here, small bag of hot. Why not? ICP. Oh my God, ICP. Over here, if we bottom out again, I'll be buying some of this. $4. $4, I'll be buying some of ICP. Between $4 and $3.5, I'll be buying some. Okay, now we go to Injective. Injective is very simple, guys. It's getting shilled again. Injective is going to the moon, blah. Okay, well, congrats, Injective, for going to the moon. I'll be waiting from this low until this line over here. So everything between 13 bucks and 10 bucks, I'll be buying some injective. Then we got IOTA. You remember IOTA? They had a partnership. Pump, 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 wop, 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 wop. And go down again. Come here. So IOTA, everything. Let me put my alarm in. IOTA, 70 cents. And then 60 cents. Okay, now I'm a bit tired. We're gonna do the rest maybe in another stream. So I've IOTA. We stopped at IOTA. There are a lot more. Okay, let me do this one because I know that a lot are asking for this. Jasmine. Let me do Jasmine. Then we're gonna stop and then we're gonna go through our list in the next stream because I'm tired. Let's see. Jasmine, yes, Jasmine. The Japanese are ramping up. So Jasmine, if you're really bullish on Jasmine, guys, this might be a scoop, 16 cents and everything below it. So it doesn't matter if this thing just goes down. Let me see Jasmine. I know that a lot of my retail fan members are bullish on Jasmine. I know it. I know that a lot of you love Jasmine. So Jasmine, everything from here. So from the 17 cents, 16.50 until the 11 cents. So everything over here is a buy for Jasmine. The Japanese might want to rump this up. So Jasmine. So this is Jasmine, guys. Jasmine over here. So let me go into the chat and let's see what you guys. Muhammad Ali, Neutron. And let me see. What do we got? Smoke break. Yes, smoke break. Thoughts on Weex. I talked about it yesterday, Jills. I explained you guys before WXT token was getting released. WXT token is just a hodl. It's a hodl. Just go watch all the other native tokens from the exchanges. It goes sideways. It goes like this. This is how it works on those native tokens. It goes like this. They hold, and then you see something like this. And then you got something like this. And then you see something like this. And then it go like this. And then you see something like this. So these native coins are very boring. They're very boring, but you have to understand that you must be willing to hold it long term. So if you're gonna use it trading wise, it's not so smart. It's just a hodl coin long term, make it 20, 30, 10x, whatever, and just sell the crap because the bigger Weex will get, the higher the WXT token will be. Let me see. Ordi just opened along today. Why? Why did you open up along? Why? I really don't know. Okay, have a look at CRV. I'm not gonna do any coins anymore, guys. Tomorrow we go further on the coins. TVK, please, this is greed, bro. Make a paid Telegram group. I'll pay for sure. You know, listen to me, Pertinax. I don't want to take money from my retail fam. It's just I'm against any paid group out there. And I know I share about the best alpha trading crypto crap. I know that I do. But you know, the team told me, why don't you just open up a paid group and we will take that money and we will use that money to create a bigger community and to invest a lot more in marketing and etc. to compete against all those crappy influences out there. And that's just something I don't want to do. I don't want it. And they keep pushing me, just make a freaking paid Telegram group. Don't ask a lot of money, just a small amount of money, and just let them get there and they can talk to each other over there. They can help each other. They can share alpha together. They can do whatever. Make a GTC paid Telegram group, and that way you will also get those scammers out. They keep pushing me about this, and for now I just don't want it. I don't want to take money. Muhammad Ali Neutron, we'll do it in the next stream, bro. Greed is surely sick. Greed is the reason why retailers are wrecked, Pedro. Listen to what I'm saying. Greed is, you know, when you get into my free private, the first thing that I teach you is you have to conquer your greed. You have to destroy your greed. You have to get. If you cannot control your greed, you will not be successful in trading, in life, in whatever you do. You have to control your greed. Just like when I share, for example, I share a trade and I tell you, just take the damn profits, take it out. And then by any means, the price goes up even more. And then someone tells me, oh crap, MB, you told me to take profits, but it went up more. So that means that person is not made for trading. Because why? The greed takes over, the emotions take over, and that time you missed maybe an extra 5, 6, 10% on your trade, but next time that same greed will get you wrecked. It's just how it works. Greed realistic. Okay, thank you for these videos. Hopefully I can learn with you. Well, you're welcome, bro. You're welcome. I have a decentralized exchange. Okay, thank you. Aptos is good. BTC TV car. FLR, please. Okay, guys. And Rio. Okay, memory, please. We'll do the next. We'll do the next shipment in the next stream, guys. I want to thank you all for this Sunday stream. This Sunday stream. By the way, the ones, because I told the team yesterday after the meeting, no more DMs to you. Don't do the communications anymore. I tried it. I thought maybe we'll find someone and etc. And the team is a bit different than me. So from now on, I'll be doing everyone from the retail fam that doesn't have a full-time job, that is doing nothing, and he's skilled in social media stuff like thumbnails, like editing, like making shorts, like making this, doing that, whatever it is. DM me, don't DM the team, DM me and I will give it a look. This time I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna look at it and look what you have to offer. And there was also one guy, he had a professional marketing bureau, and if you are a pro and you want to invest in yourself, so you want to invest in yourself and you want to grow together with the GTC community and you want to grow your company, you might have a chance, but I don't like to get you on a payroll. I like to partner up with someone that's really good. And when you show me the results, I will show you the money. That's how it works. When you show me the results, I will show you the money. That's how it's gonna work. So anyone that's wait a minute, this MW, this guy is a crazy guy and there is a big future and this guy is going to grow and get huge. I'm skilled and I've got the professional tools and etc. And I want to partner up with this guy because I know that I'm gonna make him great. Don't worry about the content. The content is about me. I will destroy any content out there. I know I will. And you have the tools to make it professional, etc. You want to invest in that and partner up with me. I will show you the money. That's all about that, guys. I want to thank you all for watching. Again, guys, if you want that creepy damn, it's a creepy one. Let me show you. It's a scary one. Look at it. Look at it. Under 4 hours. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this. This scary indicator that keeps pushing Bitcoin down for now. If you want this thing, if you want it, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I'm gonna share our wallet address for the marketing purposes. I'm also gonna share the wallet address. It's you just have to DM me and tell me if you want to donate to the helpless children or to the marketing cost. I will share the wallet address. You can donate over there. I'm not going to tell you how much you will have to donate. Just donate and the team will decide if it's enough or not. So if you want to donate like $1 or $2 or $3, don't think that you're going to get this indicator. So it has to be just a normal, not a lot, not less. It's just what you can miss. So if you want to donate to the marketing cost or we want to donate to the helpless children, just DM me and tell me for what you donated, and I will send me a DM on Twitter and I will send you this indicator. The team will check. I will send you the. So I will share the wallet address. I will share it. So I will share it here on YouTube. So when I finish this stream, I will add it in the description at the section how to join the private group. I want to thank you all. I love you all. And for the ones from the free private that are making money over and over again, donate to the freaking helpless children in the world. Just donate. Don't have to donate through me. Donate yourself. Or maybe you just have your neighbor they are poor, or someone in your family, maybe the son of your sister, or maybe the daughter of your brother, or maybe whoever it is. And you think to yourself, well, I made a lot of money trading. Let me buy my grandson or my nephew a nice PlayStation 5. That's also donation, guys. You don't have to donate to help us children that don't have food or have water to drink. Your nephew that is dreaming of a PlayStation 5 is also a child that you can make happy. Buy those children. If you have the gains and you have the money, make children happy. That's what it's all about. Thank you all for watching. Have a nice one, and bye-bye.